Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Lenovo TAB P11. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from tab to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, then on your tab enter YouTube app, and now press the screencast button located in the top right corner. Select your TV, and now your devices are connected. Now you can play any video you want on your tab, and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.